In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited leverage on Exness. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your Exness personal area dashboard, and then from here go to trading top left and click on accounts. Inside accounts, you want to select if you want to create a new account and then get unlimited leverage on that, or if you want to change it on an existing account. So I'm going to show you both right now. First, if you want to create a new account, you could of course pick real or demo, it's up to you, and then click on open account in the top right. From here, the process is going to be pretty much the same for demo and real accounts. So I'm going to hit the open account button, and I'm going to go with standard right now and click on continue. Now over here, if you go back, you can also see the maximum leverage on all of these can be 1 to 1 unlimited. So of course you can go and of course pick whichever one you want. So I'm going to click continue, and from here again you can switch between demo and real. I'm going to go for demo. I'm going to leave the currency at USD. The starting balance here, I'm actually going to put this at 10k. The nickname over here is going to be unlimited lev. I'm going to do it like this, and then here you have the max leverage. So you want to click on here and you want to set it to 1 to unlimited, okay? Just like that. Select your platform you want to use and then your trading password you want to have as well, just like this. And when you do all of that, you can click on create account at the bottom and your account's going to be created. Now, if you have an account already where you want to adjust the leverage to be 1 to unlimited, you can go to whatever account you want, click on the 3 dots and click on adjust leverage. From here, as you can see, you can go and click on the drop down and switch it to 1 to unlimited and then hit the save button, and that's really all you have to do, okay? So that's how to get unlimited leverage. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.